President Mahmoud Abbas, President of the State of Palestine, has decided to award His Excellency Mr. Franklin Aquilina, Head of the Representative Office of the Republic of Malta, the Star of Friendship of the Order of President Mahmoud Abbas, in recognition of his distinguished contribution to fostering friendship and cooperation between the State of Palestine and the Republic of Malta, and in appreciation of his dedicated efforts in supporting the Palestinian people and their just case for freedom and independence.